Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my dinnerware from Wayfair. It's a website, it's a company I believe which is in the UK because I live in the UK, and I've ordered this set, 30 sets of dinnerware. So I got this parcel on the same day, and the same day I made a video, so I want to show you guys how it looks like in case you'll be interested to buy this kind of sets. So it's gonna be easier for you to decide if it's for you or not. So I've got these lovely packages. They are well packed. I've got like 6 of them. So I'll start showing you one of the package out of 6. So these are the mugs. I've got like 6 of them because everything comes in a set of 6. So I've got these lovely mugs. They are very nice, very, I wouldn't say stylish, but they're very nice. They are a little bit smaller, but I believe it's they are nice for coffee more than tea. And I've got the sauces as well. I believe it was in this box, this small box. Yes, these are the sauces for the mugs. I just love the shape of them. They are very the design is very nice. Very stylish, and it's lightweight, and it's very steady as well. Now it's not like super lightweight, it's kinda in the middle. It's not heavy, it's not super light. So look how pretty it is. So I've got another box. I was like super excited because I've always wanted like a very nice stylish set of dinnerware whenever I've got like friends and family coming over. And I'm so happy because I've done a lot of research. I was debating which one to buy, and I finally found these sets, and they are like on sale, 15% off. I was so happy with it. So these are the dinners and plates. There are 6 of them as well. They are very nice. They look so stylish, as you can see. Here I was like debating if it was cheap or not, but I think that's just how it's supposed to be because everything comes the same way as this one. I was super excited about this set, guys. So everything, like I said, it comes in the set of 6. There you go. And the color of this dinner set is cream, but I think they look more like off-white than cream, I would say. If I saw it for the first time without them saying the color, I wouldn't say it's cream. I've got another parcel, and this dinnerware, guys, dinner sets, they are microwave safe. You can put them in the dishwasher. They are scratch resistant. You can put them in the oven, you can stack them. And this is another set. It's a soup plate, they say, but I think you can use them with spaghetti. You can you can even use it as a plate as well, like you can pour whatever you want. They are very, very super cute and stylish. I just love the design, and the design is square, as you can see. You can easily stack them. I will leave the link in the description in case if you are looking for something like this. I believe the name of the plant is called Amylea. I will leave the link in the description in case, like I said, in case you're interested in buying one of them. And this is another plate. They are saying this plate is for is it salad plate, or dessert plate, but I might use it as a normal plate as well. Like I said, you can use it whatever you want. You can even put food in there like a normal food. It doesn't have to be a salad or a dessert. And because they are kind of not that big like the dinner plate, so they are nice for kids as well. So there you go, this is my set. I'm super happy with it. I will leave the link in the description so you can go and purchase this for yourself. So if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like and comment, and see you next time. Bye.